Would you like to make bigger financial leaps in your business and sell your coaching, consulting, or marketing services much easier? Well, I'm going to share with you 2 powerful strategies that can help you do this in your business. Now, the first strategy is to take what you do, bundle it together, package it up, sort of build a brand around it, and give it a name. This is really important because if you're out there trying to sell your services, maybe graphic design or SEO or coaching, business growth, it's very vague and abstract. How can you make it feel tangible? Because people buy things they can touch and feel and see, right? So how can you do this in your business? I have to tell you, this one strategy alone, I can't even tell you how many clients I've been able to help with this strategy. I have used this strategy in my business for years and years and years. 20 years ago, I did this. I actually, when I was building one of my health clubs, I merged 2 services together. I packaged it up in a way that people saw what they were buying, and I gave it a name, and I even trademarked the name. Now, that program made me more than $1 million. And here's what happened after it started kind of losing its life and its pizzazz because it had been around for a long time. I repackaged it into 2 different programs, gave it 2 different names, kind of restructured, tweaked, shifted some things, and it took on a new life, and we made even more money. Same kind of thing, which is going to bring me to strategy 2. But I'll talk about this in a minute. Now, in my coaching and consulting business, I have a program called Get and Close High Paying Clients. It's not rocket science to figure out what that is, right? I teach you how to get and close high-paying clients. And this is the strategy that I use. But I also teach you the marketing piece and how to close the sales over the phone and the other components that I know will help you get and close high-paying clients. But it starts with having a packaged service that's unique and proprietary to you, that they can't get anywhere else, and you can build a high perceived value and put a high ticket price on it. So super, super powerful strategy. Have you done this in your business? Are you still trying to sell yourself as a business coach, as a wellness coach, as a relationship coach? It's not as powerful. Make it feel tangible in your business. You know, I have a service where I work with small business owners, and it's called Cash Flow Turnaround. And it's a 30-day business turnaround for cash flow. And I get people that buy that over and over again because, again, 30 days to turn around their cash flow. They see what they're buying. You can do this. It's kind of like productizing your business. You can do this, you know, with multiple things and multiple different services that you offer. So think about this. It also makes your business very rinse and repeat. It streamlines your business so you're working smarter and not harder. And you'll get more traction in your business when you do this. Now, the second strategy I've already hit on a little bit, and that is taking what you've already done, what you've already accomplished in your business, and it's been successful, and maybe restructure it. Maybe it's lost its life or its pizzazz or lost a little bit of juice. How about if you can relight the fire and under that offer and start selling it again? And you can do this by renaming it, rebranding it, maybe making a few tweaks and shifts or adding something to it. And all of a sudden you've got something old that's brand new. And one of the mistakes people make in their business is they're always trying to reinvent the wheel. Let me think about what I can create new. Let me think about what I can do that's different in my business, instead of looking at the things that are literally right in front of them, that are their assets and their proprietary property, and repurposing that. You know how we talk about repurposing content all the time, like do one piece of content and you put it out there, 50 different ways. You can do the same thing with your services and the things that you already have in your business. So you do not have to go out there and try to find the latest, greatest, newest thing. Create your own. These are 2 amazing strategies that can help you make a lot more money and add tangibility to your services and what you're selling. So I'm Carden. I hope this is helpful for you. And listen, I would love for you to drop a comment and let me know what you think about these two strategies and if you've used them or how they've worked. I would just love to hear your comments and your feedback. And if you're interested in getting and closing high-paying clients, then I'm going to drop the link below and you can book a call and we'll talk about if it's the right program for you to help you be able to do this. So I thank you for being here, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you drop some comments, and I will be speaking with you next time. You go rock your business and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.